Greetings and welcome to using the TI-84 Plus. I'm your presenter, Lynn Mann. In this lesson, we'll be going over confidence interval for students' t-distribution. Using the TI-84 Plus to construct a confidence interval for t-distribution is pretty straightforward. So I'm going to actually plug in some data into a list. So I'm going to go to Stat, Edit My Lists, and in list 1, I'm going to put all of my data. Now, I know it's boring, so you don't need to watch me do this, but I'm going to key in my data. Now that my data is in my list, I just want to double check to make sure that I have all my values. And it looks like I have all 20 of them. So I'm going to go to Stats, and go to tests. So very similar to a z-test, we're going to do a t-test, and it is a t-interval. So very similar to a z-interval, I'm going to do a t-interval. So 8. Now I do have data. I'm not using statistics, I'm using data. So my list is in L1, the frequency is 1, but my confidence level, I want a 90% confidence, so 0.90, and I'm going to calculate it. My interval, 117.41 to 137.49, and that is with a 90% confidence level. It also will calculate our X bar and our standard deviation of our sample, and our N is 20. But the cool part about the calculator is we can just put in our data and it will do the rest of the calculations for us. If we did have data already, if we did know our X bar and if we did know our standard deviation, we could just plug it into this t-interval and it would calculate it. But generally, for a small number of values like this, N being 20, more than likely you'll be given the data and you'll have to key it into the list. So that's it. That's how to calculate a t-interval using the TI-84 Plus. Till next time, be seeing you.